Hello everyone. On the last video I have explained the percentage increase and decrease, and we have learned about the formulas of both decrease and the increasing formula. Okay, today we will do some numericals. We will understand the numericals. So the exercise 9.2, here a table is given, and in this table some values are given and some are missing. So we have to use the values that are given to find out the values those are missing. For first one, here the original value 20 is given, the new value 35 is given. Now we have to find out the increase and the increase percent. So to find out the increase, all we have to do is to subtract new value from the original value. We have to subtract original value from the new value. That is, see, original value is given 20, new value is given 35, and increase we know that new value minus original value. So 35 minus 20, which gives us 15. Increase percent equals to increase by original value into 100%. After cancellation, it gives us 75%. So basically we have to use the formulas that we have learned here, that we have the increase value, the percentage increase, and the new value. These three formulas we will be using to find out the missing values. So in B, here original value is given, new value is missing, and increase, how much increase, it is also given, and we have to find out the increase percent. So to find out the new value, we know the formula is new value minus original value gives us 10. So new value will be what? Original value, which is 25, plus the increase. Okay, so we know that increase equals new value minus original value, no? So to find out the increase, all we have to do is to add the original or add the increase plus original value, which gives us 35. So 35 is our new value. And to find out the increase percent is equal to increase by original value into 100%, equals to 10. After cancellation, here 25 and 100 4 times, so 4 into 10, which gives us 40%. F, here, so I have done here F. Here both original value and new value are missing, and they have given us the increase and the percentage increase. So 9 mangoes and 15% increase. So increase equals to 9 mangoes, increase percent equals to 15%. We know that increase is equal to what? Increase by original value into 100%. So here we have written the formula of this one, and after that increase is given, so increase, and here the increase percent is given. Percent is equal to 15 by 100, no? Percent means, so 15 by 100. After calculation, I have first you can cross multiply with 9 into 100 and original value into 15. So original value is equal to 900 by 15, which gives us 60 mangoes. And since we have got the original value and we also know the increase, so new value will be what? New value will be original value plus the increase value, which is 9 plus 60, which gives us 69 mangoes. So you complete the rest of them, like 3 are missing. Use the 3 formulas and you will get all the results here. Here's exactly same. Instead of increase, it is given decrease. So there are again 3 formulas for decrease. So use those formulas and you will be able to find out that. Instead of both are exactly same. One we are using the increase formula, increase percentage, and here we will be doing the decrease and decrease percentage. So I have started from D here. So D here it is given new value is equal to 12 meter cube, decrease equals to 3 meter cube, original value, since decrease is given, so decrease formula is original value minus new value, so which gives the original value as 3 plus 12 equals to 15 meter cube, and decrease percent equals to decrease by original value, okay, into 100%. So decrease we have got is as decrease is given 3, original value we got is 15, so 3 divided by 15 into 100% gives us 20%. See here original value is given and decrease percentage is given. We have to find out the decrease and the new value. So here decrease by original value into 19%. So decrease is given, original value is 80, so 80 into 19 by 100 gives us what? 15.2. After cross multiplication and cancellations, then we will be getting as 15.2 seconds. Now the new value, here the decrease, we know that decrease equals to original value minus new value, so new value will be what? Original value minus the decrease, which gives us 64.8 seconds. Now let's try the word problem. Here Pankaj's monthly salary is rupees 30,000. If his salary is increased by 6%, find his new monthly salary. So to find out Pankaj's salary, we have to find out what is the 6% of. Here we have to find out what is the increase of what is 6% of the original value, that is 6% of 30,000, which is 1800. Now the new value will be what? Increase, the increase of what is the 6%? The value of 6% plus the original value, which value of 6% is 1800 and the original value is 30,000, which gives us rupees 31,800. So therefore Pankaj's new value is rupees 31,800. Next one, the price of a watch increases by 8% to rupees 777.60. Find the original value of the watch. So here increased price is given and the percentage increase is given. So we know the formula that increased value or the new value is equals to original value into 100% plus increased percentage. Increased percentage, which is 8%. New increased value is 777.60, and here is the base 100%. And now the calculation, simply the calculation. So 100 plus 8 gives us 108%. Original value, just put the value and do the calculation and you will get the result. Here in this step, since the decimal is in after two places, so I have written this one in fraction, so it becomes 77,760 divided by 100, and here 108%. So it is, since it is in the denominator, so if we write the fraction as like this, 108 divided by 100 by 777.60, if we write it in the next step, the denominator of a denominator comes to the numerator of the fraction. That is why we have written like this. 108%. 108 means what? 108% means 108 divided by 100. So it is denominator of denominator. So it comes to the numerator. and 108 only remains in the denominator. So the original value is rupees 720 after the division. Question number 5. Here the price of a computer system decreases from 12,500 to 10,500. That is, since it is decreasing from this one 12,000 to 10,000, so this is our original value and this is our new value. So after find the percentage decrease in price. So to find out the percentage decrease, we will be in the formula we will need decrease. What is the decrease in money and the original value? So original value is what? 12,500. The decrease we have to just for subtract 12,500 to 10,500. So we have 2,000. Now just put the two values on the formula and cancel or calculate it. You will get the result as 16%. Now question number 6. Rahim's monthly expenditure is 2,464. After it decreased by 12%, find his previous monthly expenditure. So his expenditure, it is given as 2,464 after it decreased by 12%. So find his previous monthly expenditure. Okay, so his decreased monthly expenditure is 2,464 and the percentage decrease expenditure is 12%. So in this case we will have to find out the original value. So decreased value equals to, or the new value. So we have used the formula as new value. So here it will be decreased value. Okay, decreased value, new value, you can write it both, but I have written as decreased value because the problem is related to decrease, that is why. So decreased value equals to original value into 100% minus percentage decrease. So this is the percentage decrease. So we take 100 as a base. So 100 minus 12%, which gives us 88%, and the decreased value is already given. So calculate it and you will get the result as 2,800. Okay. 7. You try it yourself. The price of a scooter was rupees 68,000 last year. It has increased by 10% this year. What is the price of the scooter now? So first, exactly it will be like this one. Okay, so here 68,000 was the price of the last year and the money has increased by 10%. So find out what is the 10% of 68,000. After that, whatever value comes, you will add that value to 68,000. Okay, and that will be the new value of the scooter this year. Now question number 8. The price of a computer system is rupees 34,000. In order to increase its sale, the price of the computer system is decreased by 10%. What is the decreased value of the computer system? So here you have to find out the value of the decreased value of the computer system. First we have to find out we know the formula as percentage decrease is equal to decrease by original value into 100%. Okay, so decrease is given as 10%, decrease percent is given as 10, decrease we don't know the decrease. Original value is given as 34,000 into 100. After calculation, cross multiplication, we have the value as 3400. So the percentage decrease, the value of percentage decrease, it is 3400. Now we will subtract the 3400 from the original value to find out the decreased value, so which is 30,600. Question number 9. You try it yourself. Okay, the price of a smartphone was increased by 8% in the first year. Next year it was decreased further by 5%. Find the final value of the smartphone if initially the price was 18,000. That is, the original value was 18,000. Okay, the price of the smartphone was increased by 8% in the first year. So first you have to find out the what is 8% of 18,000. Whatever value comes, you